My bird is up there because he's just chilling up there. There's his pal inside up here. I call him Snowy and I call him Yellow. So since he's white, and look at him. She is smart. Her bread is up there. And well, I love the birds too. And look at them facing up here. You think it will focus on her? Okay, so let me give you a tour about the boy. Yeah, he's scared. He's a scaredy cat for some reason. They're both best friends. There she is. And guys, if you like this video, comment down below. It's down there. And please like it up. So, see ya. Peace. Peace out, everybody.